Wauwatosa County in southeastern North Carolina, north central Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, northwestern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, eastern Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina until 6:45 p.m. At 6 p.m., a line of showers producing strong winds were located along a line extending from near McCall to Francis Marion University, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts, reported by Florence Airport source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Florence, Marion, Dillon, Red Springs, Pembroke, Maxton, McCall, Latta, Roland, Quinby, Clio, Sellers, Fork, Blue Brick, Zion, Hammer, Mars Bluff, Brownsville, south of the border, and Shannon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. for allowance. More